course, this is a very, very unfortunate incident, and it is something that we have not seen in Meghalaya before, this kind of a incident. It was taken all of us by surprise and all of us by shock, in fact. Even the local people are very surprised. The local stakeholders in the tourism sector are very surprised and very concerned. So it's something that we actually never expected. We all know that Meghalaya has always been a tourist-friendly area. We've always ensured the safety of tourists. So in the last many years, lakhs and lakhs of tourists have come. So this is something which is very out of the ordinary for us also. Having said that, we are very, very sad, of course, that this kind of incident has happened. And my deepest condolences and respects for the family members. I know it's a great loss for them, but I want to assure the family members that we are working overtime to make sure that we get to the facts and the depth of really what happened. We're all not very clear as of now what the sequence of events were, what happened, how it happened. We are still looking for the wife also of the individual whose body was found. We are also concerned about many factors that are there. But as I said, it's not just the government and the police. The entire society, the entire community, and the entire stakeholders have deeply gotten involved in this. Because now it is, as I said, it is it's a matter that's of great importance to all of us, and let me assure the family members that we will leave no stone unturned to ensure we find out the details of the facts of what really happened, and also try to work as fast as possible to find the other missing person who still we have not been able to find.